microwave is heating. It's on, but it's not heating. So this is the circuit. I just leave it up, then I can see the capacitor here. It's fine, but again, I checked through the circuit, I checked through every component here is well connected. The transformer and there's a fuse here. This fuse looks like it is fine. It's fine because I tested it. The fuse is fine. The fuse is fine. It's working fine. So we just dig deeper. There's usually this thing. I'm trying to look if there is, to see if there is any other problem. I can see this diode here. It blew up. Then according to me, a diode is conducts one side. So if we put that on the multimeter, we should be able to see. Okay. On the continuity, we should have some value. If it makes noise, then it means it's not good for us. So there you go. Just hold it for some time. There, I got it. That is it. You can see it's making noise. So this is gone. So I was trying. So once you open this thing, the first thing you go for is this tank here. This is a capacitor. It's the biggest, over 20, is it 2100 volts. So you have to be careful with this one. Yeah. So the problem with this one is it was it's on, but it's not heating anything. It's not warming up. So I've done my tests all over. Then below here I found something. Yeah, I found something. This one, yeah, this thing here. This one you can see completely damaged because I tried to look through. There's always a fuse somewhere here, but for this one it's direct. You can see the fusing is done here on this end here. You can see that this one, of course I'm touching because I'm sure I've discharged the capacitor to 100%. There are several ways to discharge the capacitor. You can always use something like this. Of course, not recommended. You just connect the terminals over here. Just join the two, or you can connect a multimeter, this one, and you can see you will always see a voltage drop across that. And then another way that you can use to discharge a capacitor is just to disconnect from power and leave it for some time, so it will discharge and you'll be safe around this space. Okay, so that is not the cause of this video today. So we need to look for a replacement of this one and test if for sure our that will be the only problem here, because I've tested the fuse. The fuse is working fine. This one is working fine. So we just need to keep looking through for more problems. In the meantime, let me look for replacement of that. So I found a replacement for this. Yeah, they look almost the same, but this one is broken. Yeah, make sure the rating is the same because this is high voltage. So I got a replacement. So we are going to replace it inside this capacitor and test if now our yeah, I'm going to test whether our macro is going to work. It's fitted well. I'm gonna screw that down. It is done. Okay. So this is high voltage capacitor. Make sure it's hold. Yeah, that is replaced well. You can see that I've replaced this. Make sure there's also a screw that is holding it down here. There. So make sure this is fitted well. So now I've not detected any other problem. The fault one is here. It's here. So I'm going to place this back all together. Then we test again. We see if our capacitor would have worked. And as I told you guys, you need to be careful. This is a high voltage area, very high voltage. You can see that. Now, danger, high voltage. This is more than enough. The capacity, this capacitor alone is capable of tearing you apart without being connected to power. So the first thing, open a microwave, make sure to discharge this capacitor. I already showed you. I gave you the how the process of discharging this. You just connect those two terminals and you're good. Again, let's confirm it's properly fastened. Yeah. So I think we're good now. I think we're good. You can just confirm the fuse is well fit. Yeah. Can just check for continuity. Just try that. It's working fine. It's working fine. So let's get this back all together. Yeah, sorry, it's a Nunix brand for those who are asking. It's a Nunix brand. So let's sort that. A moment. Be back. Because everything is done for us. What is left is just to test whether now things will start getting warmer. So we need to test that. This is yes. Okay. Everything is set. Set that to medium high. Good. So wait. Just giving it some minutes to see if that will work. Timer is working fine. It's almost done. Just about to see that. Okay.
Dad.
Yeah.
It's mine.
It is back hitting as normal.
Again.
Let's try with medium high now. Okay, switched off this one. Let's see. Just 1 minute more and a high. So let's wait. And sometimes you wonder whether the diode is responsible for not heating of water. There are things called megatrons. It's responsible for producing that, and that's what heats your water, right? So just testing for one last time if indeed that worked, and if it did, then that was the fix. Instead of going for a new one, this was the issue, the problem maker. So hopefully now this is sorted. I'm just going to confirm that in a minute. It's back online. So you just need to be careful around the fuse and the diodes, and the most important thing that you guys I told you is something to do with the capacitor inside here. You need to be extra careful when opening this. Yeah, now you can see even the vapor. Can you? Super hot. You can see the vapor. So it's back online and heating. Yeah. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one.